Deadliest Catch star Sig Hansen airlifted to hospital after suffering heart attack. Deadliest Catch cameras were rolling when the scary incident happened. Deadliest Catch star Sig Hansen airlifted to hospital on Wednesday after reportedly suffering a heart attack. He was on the deck of his fishing boat, the Northwestern, when the incident happened. Cameras were rolling when he briefly fell unconscious before coming round again. Sig then attempted to continue filming until crew members urged him to seek medical attention and he was airlifted to hospital. His daughter Mandy Marie Hansen reportedly posted a picture of him lying in a hospital bed, though later deleted it. The caption is believed to have read, "Cat survived the Widowmaker. Beating a heart attack ain't easy. Welcome back, boss." Discovery, the channel behind the show, later released a statement explaining Sig experienced chest pain during filming. While Sig was determined to keep going, the crew acted swiftly and insisted that they dock to get him help. He was airlifted to Anchorage, Alaska, and immediately rushed to a medical facility. He is with his family and in good spirits, the statement read. Last August, much-loved crew member Tony Lara died of a heart attack while attending a motorcycle rally. And just 2 months before Tony's death, one of the show's producers, Joe McMahon, was